Well, hey team, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about a system that you can use to make up to $9,873 plus per month working from the comfort of home. We're going to show you how to do it. I'm going to roll the intro, and we have an exciting marketing system. My capture page has done it again, and I'm very excited about the system that has been created, and it is done for you. All you do is plug in, and we're excited about it. What we're going to do, I'm going to allow the videos to explain how this thing works. And what step by step, guys, I tell you what, if you can mail a postcard, something that looks like this, we've got 2 different postcards that you can mail. I just recently ordered 3,000 postcards, and I'm telling you, the sky can be the limit. We're going to show you how this system works. We're going to show you the brand new marketing system, and we're going to go from there. Let me roll the intro. I'll get back to you on the side. Hey, Tim Thomas here. Before I get into the video, make sure you like the video, hit the like button, tap the notification bell, subscribe to the channel so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Work at home has never been this good, and it is getting better all the time. Join Whelp Step by Step. But before we dive into Whelp Step by Step, I've got several opportunities on my channel. Check these things out, folks, and join them. What we're doing, we're leading with big ticket opportunities, and we're marketing residual income on the back end. You know, get big ticket upfront money right now and get your residual money on the back end. The residual programs that I'm building now is, you know, of course, American Build Money, Whelp Step by Step, VIP Savings Program. Of course, we're going to talk about Whelp Step by Step and the new marketing system. This thing's incredible. My capture page, Leroy's done a great job over there. And this is the marketing system, guys. Look at this, folks. This thing is incredible. This is our landing page. In the video, we're going to show you the capture page. It has email follow-up, and it's done for you. All you do is plug in and send traffic to it, or mail postcards. And we're going to show you how this thing works. Look at the matrix, folks, for Whelp Step by Step. What is the potential down to $9,873? Just 7 levels, folks. This can happen over time. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life nothing happens until you take action. But look here, folks, people can order the flyer that Greg, our team leader, has made up over there at yourplantowealth.com. Over here, we can order team postcards. We're going to show you how those things look. If you want to get a marketing system that looks just like this, you can press here. And it is incredible. Your picture can go there. It looks like Timothy Thomas. Your information can go there, and it's just exciting. So we want to get you started with Whelp Step by Step. When they click onto this here, folks, it's going to take them over to the website, and they can get signed up. And look at that. There's Timothy Thomas' cell phone number if you want to talk to him. But yeah, powerful. Let's watch here. I'm going to click on some of these links, and I'm going to show you an example of the email follow-up that my capture page has just built in for us. There's I believe there are like 16, 17 messages that go out over the next month or two, and they're incredible, and they will get people signed up for you. Let me show you first. We have a proven flyer. People can mail this flyer, and it's totally up to you. We like the postcards better than the flyer, but it's totally up to you what you want to mail. You can put your information here, save it to your desktop, and have it made. Also, we have the postcard. The system is really tailored for this postcard. This postcard is going to change lives, and we're excited. Here's our team website that our team leader, Greg Buffet, has made for us, yourplantowealth.com. You can click on here, and it will give you all the updates for what the system's got. You can mail a postcard. You can mail the money from home. This is going to be on your website. Look at this, folks. Now, our product also highlights Whelp Step by Step. You can save on airfare, hotels, restaurants, shopping, and many things that people love to do anyway. You can find these under the discounts tab. You can get started for $28 per month. Folks, you can save a ton of money. And that's the benefit. Those are the member benefits that you get. The product serves the value. You click here to order your postcards. Let me show you how that postcard looks. Look at that postcard, folks. Look at that. You got options to order a postcard. All you do is mail postcards. I'm getting ready to order about 3,000 of this postcard because I know it's going to work. It's going to be phenomenal for us, folks. We're going into 25 wide open, and the sky's going to literally be the limit. You can put you can type in your information here, save it, send it out to our team leader, Greg. And you're off to the races, folks, with this postcard. All you do is just mail postcards, and you can build wealth step by step with it. Let me go over and show you a sample email that is built in. This is what the prospect is going to receive from the system on autopilot once they put their name and email address into the capture page. This is what an example email. It says hi easily. It says hi, and then the first name of the person will be here. It is easy to find others to join this business without talking to a single person in Wealth Step by Step. It's a wonderful business. I just can't get any easier. Bob from Iowa said this. Many get started in the business by mailing out our postcards since anyone can lick a stamp, put a name label on it. I seem to like people, and we send people to our video, and it does telling explaining for me, just like it did. This is what your system is going to say to your prospect. We got the traffic vendors, where to get traffic from. No stone is unturned. You're not left in the dark, but you're ready to go with a turnkey marketing system. Leroy from my catchphrase even put the team marketing system. Our team marketing systems mails out 2 months of pre-written prospect letters for people to get information, to become informed, inspired, and to partner with you. And it is absolutely proven to convert. Folks, that is exciting. And my capture page explains everything that needs to happen, how the system works. It is just exciting. And you check out our video of the simple. When people log into your website, they're going to come to this landing page. Let me show you a sample of what they're going to get, and then we'll go down and show you, we'll show you this team marketing system. Look at this.
Is continuing to rise, and unemployment is a constant threat. The entire industry is downsizing. Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work, say for 8 weeks, would you have enough money saved to survive? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then you need a plan B, and you need to start building your own stream of monthly income now.
Folks, you got to start building income now. Take matters in your own hand. This thing can help build wealth step by step. Let's look at the team marketing system. That's really what this video is about. You know, once you join Wealth Step by Step, let's look at the sales funnel. I mean, you don't have to talk to anybody. Mail the postcard. The system is built to sign people up for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Look at this, folks. There's an 11-minute video that Leroy goes over, explains how this thing works, and absolutely exciting. And let me show you this, guys, folks. You're going to get, again, this capture. You're going to get this landing page. Has the matrix up here. Has the member benefits up here. It says, look here, new member benefits, savings program, save on airfare, hotels, restaurants, shopping, and more. This benefit sells for $50 a month elsewhere, but now can be yours as $28 membership. For a $28 membership, your picture can go there, your information. Let's look at the video on how my capture page system works. This is really what I want to get to. It is life-changing. Let's go there.
Hi, and welcome to mycapturepage.com, and welcome to our brand new updated system for Wealth Step by Step. I'm very, very happy to share this with you. I think you're going to love this system. It's going to be the only way you're ever going to want to market the program. So what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to show you the pages and stuff first. We'll go.
This is the only way that you're ever going to want to market Wealth Step by Step.
Through the financials in a second, and I'll also show you exactly how to set this system up so you won't have anything that you won't know in advance before you get started. So let's take a look at the page. Great looking page right here. Dream big. You can make up to $9,873 per month income mailing our postcards and flyers. So what people are going to want to do, they're going to want to opt in. They put their name and email. The name helps out in the autoresponders because in some of them we put their name in there, and that way they're more likely to open up the email, and that's what we want, right? So when they opt in, they're going to get to this brand new updated page right here. Again, great title as we've just talked about before, but you see the great video. If you haven't seen this video, it's fantastic. In 5 minutes, sells them on the whole program. They know exactly what's going on. And then a lot of people are not aware of this, but the company has added a brand new benefit, which is a savings program. And one of the things that's great about it is not only just a great looking program and lots of discounts, but see, there's a company right now that's marketing this very same membership, for $50 a month. Now, you think about it, you get everything here for $28 a month, and with that company, it's $50 a month. So, again, great addition, and did a great job adding this on there, and a lot of people don't even know this is part of their new membership package. So you get all the stuff you got before, and you also get this. So we want to make it stand out when people went to your website. We've got the Wealth step-by-step matrix. Obviously, they can see all the numbers here and follow along. You get some idea of how the money flows in the program. Flyers and postcard links. Again, as you know, we've got those available. A lot of people market online with emails, especially with the email system the company's got, where you can email 5,000 people every 4 days. That's pretty cool, right? But some people love the postcards and want to take that route. And if you want to talk about postcards, we got great postcards here. So the first one is the flyer. You can click on it. It's going to open up, and depending on your system, either download it to your computer, where you can then go in there and edit it, or it may open it up depending on what your settings are. Same thing in the postcards. Well, what I wanted to do is show you very briefly on the postcards. When you get there, you're going to get an idea what they look like. This black and gold card, fantastic. And what you're able to do in this case with these new postcards is actually put your domain name on there. So if you're using this system,
Guys, this is absolutely powerful. I would join immediately. It's just that good.
you can have the domain name that goes to your capture page with us, and boom, you're marketing postcards and sending people to this site. In fact, many of you who have signed up may have already gotten a postcard, signed up, and now that's why you're watching this video. But again, very powerful stuff, super affordable, and want to let you guys know that's how you access it through those two links. Now, what people are going to do is click on this to get started. They can look down here and see your photo. You can have a personal message down here. Social media links, okay, if you want them to go to the appropriate places or to other places. Let's say, oh, I don't have X, but I've got Instagram. Great, they can go to Instagram if that's what you want to do. So again, it gives you the flexibility to send them where you want. And again, to get a site like this button is taking you here, and many of you probably got here with that button. So that's the program. This site right here is going to just sell so well because, again, great video, great dollar amount. You got this fantastic new addition they're going to get as a part of their membership. They can see the metrics and see how the money works. They've got the links to get the marketing tools that they need. Everything's right here, right? So now, let's take a look at the main page that goes over some of this. The video that you're watching now, as a matter of fact, is right here. And so what I want to encourage you to do, if you've been through someone's system, you don't need to demo it. You've just demoed it through their system. If, on the other hand, you found this on YouTube, Google, or something like that, and you haven't been to the system yet, you're going to want to click on this thumbnail right here. It's going to open up the page. You can opt in, and you'll be able to see the videos and everything. So we also have lead sources here. We've got all kinds of stuff that we know works, and that's what we have them back here. In fact, we even have a program that gives you basically 3 leads a day of people looking for a business. They're 1 hour or less old. They've been shared with 2 other people, but a lot of cases, those people never use them because they don't know what they're doing yet, right? You do, and you're going to get that lead. And again, you can get those basically for $39 a month, 3 a day, and you get to use it and try it for the first 10 days and not spend any money yet. So beat that, right? And we've got real-time traffic that's exclusive to you. We've got a classified ad situation back there. So again, everything you need lead-wise is back there. Plug-and-play system. Capture page, landing page, autoresponders, professionally written, everything's built in, everything's set up. As far as the ARs, they're already connected to your page. Now, if you're the type that says, hey, but I want to use Aweber or GetResponse or GVO, that's set up on here as well, meaning you can integrate it very, very easily. We charge $19.95 a month for this. We haven't raised our prices in 14 years, so that's a warning. We're probably going to do that soon. But if you're online with us, your price won't go up. It'll only be for new people. $19.95 a month with a $10 setup. Get 3 and it's free. So if you get 3 people and you're active when you do that, then the next month is free. We also have an annual program for people who don't have any team members yet and they just want to kind of get it over with. How about a half price deal, right? For basically $10 a month, $119.95 for the year, you're in for the year, done. There is no get 3 on that, but that's basically what the pricing is, either monthly or annual. Now, how does the system get set up? Pretty quick. go in your back office. It won't have leads in it, but otherwise it'll look just like this. And if you want to learn about how to do the third-party autoresponders, you use more than one page at a time. So, for example, if you're watching this, you're already a member and you're adding this program, you're going to want to click on this button up here that says Getting Started Guide. That's going to show you how to use more than one page at once. But let's go ahead and get started, assuming you're brand new. We click on this button right here. This is Personal Information.
Guys, I'm going to stop there.
Do that.
Leroy goes through, shows you from A to Z how to set the system up. I mean, holds you by the hand, guides you through. It is fail-proof, folks. I give it my highest endorsement. Get involved in Wealth Step by Step. Get the marketing system. Get the postcard. Send traffic. Folks, and let's get you to this $9,873 plus per month utilizing the system, Wealth Step by Step marketing team system that we've got from my capture page, along with the postcards that our team leader Greg made out, and it's a winning formula. That's my time for today. I want to keep the video up under 20 minutes, but when you get a chance, rewatch this video, go back through, and of course, rewatch once you get set up. Rewatch the video on how to set up your Wealth Step by Step sales funnel. It is super simple to do. Pause the video, go step by step, and you can win. That is my time for today. I mean, if you have any questions, feel free to contact Timothy Thomas right here. Here's my information, and we'll help you with everything step by step. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.